Einstein's especially interested in Penelope's talk. A lot of her research goes on in caves, which can get pretty dusty.
Bitch!
That could make her sneeze. But more importantly, her research could help Einstein find a cure for her never-ending scratchy throat.
Fuck you, bitch!
Yeah. Well, Bob Russell was telling us about his work on nanotubes and his research at the microscopic level. Well, that's really cool, but what Einstein's really hoping is that maybe he'll genetically engineer a 5-pound peanut.
Oh, age gap, age gap, age gap!
Yeah. Yeah, that is pretty funny, Einstein. What do you say to the good-looking man?
Dinner's ready!
Fit the bill because she loves to dance. Can you get down? Down for everybody. Come on now. She's gonna make me do it too. Ooh, ooh. Can you get down?